Okay, one thing to note, this is just a small point, but it's kind of important in the grand scheme of things. Very, very recently, I believe it was this past month actually, SolidWorks announced a license name change. And here's what you need to know. Dassault Systems, the owner of SolidWorks, is renaming SolidWorks licensing SKUs and entitlement names. This change will affect how licenses appear on invoices, portals, and in SNL PDM reports, creating some potential confusion if you're not prepared. And don't get too scared here. This isn't like they're wholesale changing every single name. It's not going from SolidWorks Standard to the CAD Professional or whatever. It's just SolidWorks Standard, and then we have some additional nomenclature after that, which we'll show you here in a second. But
Changing the
just,
labels.
sorry,
I
Chad,
said
you want to add?
changing the label. I said Tanner. I mean, I poked in. I'm sorry. Changing the labels on the containers, so to speak.
Yeah, it's simply a label change. The delivery of the software and usage of the software will remain the same, but they are changing the names, and it will be affected on your invoices, your S&L. So the immediate risk is mismatches between your inventory and vendor entitlements can cause confusion at renewal and result in wrong seats being assigned. So basically, if you're confused by a new naming procedure and you renew a license thinking it's one thing instead of the next, you don't want to be caught doing that. There is an SNL impact. You need to verify that the new names are loaded into your SNL manager, and SNL is Solid Network License. And the Solid Networks License Manager is the tool that manages all of your network licenses. And think of those as floating licenses if you're not familiar with what network licenses are. They're floating licenses that reside on a single SolidWorks license number, and it has a quantity of licenses that your team can pull from. So the SNL manager needs to be updated, and you can confirm feature and modules, simulation electrical, remain assigned to the expected serial numbers.